Yeah, the lakes are starting to finally open up. This Kenai Lake, it's about a 1/10 open. There's still ice out there. You can see it's real dark though. A nice little fire going. Got a bunch of wood. And this is where we're camping. Somebody cut a tree down. We're just gonna enjoy a peaceful, quiet night. It was pouring rain just a little while ago, especially when I drove through Moose Pass. But the sun peeked out for a little bit, and I'm gonna take advantage of it. Dogs for dinner. Keeping it simple. Still battling the crud. Well, not exactly feeling perfect yet, but we're getting close. We're getting better. Now I'm just hacking this crap up. Probably should have got a chair out. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, that's right. It was pouring rain when I pulled in. That's why. No chair yet. Anyhow, I'm gonna eat some hot dogs and just for the record, it's 8:10 p.m. Days are getting longer, thankfully. Well, it is starting to rain again. So I might hide in the van for a little bit. At least to get you in there. Ducks out on the lake. Fire's ripping. We moved inside. It was getting a little chilly out there, so I came back in here. Fire's almost out anyways, so just sitting in here where it's warmer. Anyhow, I'm gonna kick back and watch this movie. Well, good morning. As you can see, the wind laid down and everything moved. The ice has moved over to this side of the lake. But it's a beautiful morning. It rained part of the night. And I've just been being lazy. I'm watching a friend. I have a friend here from Alaska is running the Cocodona 250, and I've been watching for him on the live feed. I thought I glimpsed him, but I'm not 100% sure. But good luck to you, Larry. I hope you're doing good out there, buddy. And me, I'm just hanging out here in the woods, enjoying a beautiful day on Kenai Lake. I got to run to town here shortly. I got physical therapy for my knee, and then I'm not sure what I'm going to do this afternoon.